Good day, all. Friends, you're welcome. In the second part of the lesson, Anita and the honeybees. In the previous part, we saw Anita's life struggle. We also saw what Anita had to face to complete her studies. Let's go through what we have learned in the previous part once again. Anita stays in Bocha village of Bihar state. When she was in standard 6th, she took tuitions of small children. Anita took training on beekeeping when she used to go college. The money that she earned, she used to bring things required for beekeeping. Anita visits nearby villages and explains the importance of education. Friends, like Anita, we have many other star girls who have struggled a lot in their life and have achieved success. Suryamani Bhagat from Jharkhand, who fighted to protect the forest. Anuradha Rathod, who being handicapped took studies and became doctor. Jyoti Rose Tirki, who being an Adivasi became the radio presenter. And Sandhya Shirin, who took computer classes while she her own self used to learn computers. They are the girls who comes from the corners of India and from a very local family. But looking at their condition, they did not cry, but they stood and they fought it. And with all this struggle, they are standing proudly in front of the world. Anita took the route of beekeeping for her future. Now, she wants to make her business more big. But in her village, the people who buy honey in huge quantity gives very less price for honey. And Anita wants to change this, and definitely she will get success in this. So now let's move further and learn more about honeybees. Honeybees work together, and there are three different honeybees in the honeybee hive: the queen honeybee, the drone honeybee, and the worker honeybee. Queen honeybee is the main and bigger in size compared to all. Queen honeybee lay eggs. Drone honeybee helps the queen honeybee to lay eggs. Worker honeybee, the most hardworking. They do the most of the work, like building of the hive, taking care of the eggs, searching flowers to get honey from the flowers, and most important, protecting the eggs. And in this way, the work is being divided among the workers, honeybees. Honeybees collect honey from the flowers, and when one of the honeybee gets the most tasty honey, then they do a special kind of dance and tell the other honeybees the place where it's found. Honeybees construct hives by chewing wax until it becomes soft, then pounding large quantity of wax into the cell of the honeycomb. To protect themselves or the hives, they have a stinger for their tail. If anybody troubles them, they attack in a group, but when they sting, it leaves the double lacing behind, along with part of its digestive tract, muscles and nerves. This kills the honeybee. When honeybee bites, it's very painful, but there are many home remedies. You can ask your family members about it and write it on your notebooks. When a honeybee lands on a flower, The hairs all over the bee's body attract the pollen grains, due to which pollination process increases. To make 1 kg of honey, bees have to collect honey from 40 lakh flowers. Can you imagine, students? Wow! Like honeybees, there are more insects who stays together and work hard. You might have seen ants. Looking at them, we should also learn how to do hard work. Ant house is known as ant hill, and among ants also there are different kinds of ant: the queen ant, the drone ant, the worker ant, and the soldier ant. The queen ant lay eggs. Drone ant helps to lay eggs. Soldier's ant protects the eggs and ant hill, and the worker ants collect food. Ants are of different colors and different types. We found them on trees, gardens, in house, all places. Red ants, black ants, and many different colors. Which kinds of ants y'all have seen, and what do y'all say them in your mother tongue? You can write on the notebook. Do y'all know the fact, students, that an ant can carry 50% more weight than its actual weight? Like honeybees and ants, termites and hornet also works in group. Termite eat wood and dead animal as food. Even termite have queen, soldier and workers among them. Hornet build their house with mud or wax, and hornet bite is very painful. Insects who stays together spend their entire life helping each other. Looking them, we can also learn many things, because it has been said, help together, stay together. So, let's see what we have learned today. Honeybees work together. There are queen, drone and worker honeybees. Worker honeybees work a lot. Like honeybees, ants, termites and hornets also work together. The lesson ends here. Thank you.